Hey guys, so I just filmed a couple of different hair tutorials, put my long ass ponytail in, and I'm off to this red carpet event because it's the first day, it's Monday of the Oscars week, so yeah. So I'll see you guys afterwards. By the way, today's day 2 of my non-drinking month, so yeah, I'm going to an event, not drinking, just saying. I did it last year and it felt great, so I'm doing it again. So I'll see you guys there.
The seam escape just like that. Okay.
So I wanted to show you guys this package from Probiotic. These are probiotics. I love taking probiotics because my digestion is not great, but I just absolutely love how they sent this with like packing, like a cold ice pack, so that way this stays fresh. So these are specifically formulated for women. They're non-GMO, they support digestion, and you get 30 capsules in here. So this was me getting ready for the Bilzerian party, and I actually filmed an entire get ready with me video for this. So if you guys want to check it out, I will link it down below for you. And then this is the outfit that I put together. I just went as a black angel because the theme was angels and devils. So I just pulled out some things that I had from Halloween, like these wings and boots, and just put it together. So guys, tomorrow I'm going to do a lymphatic massage, which I've never done before, and it basically like drains all the toxins out of your body, which is something I think I need right now, but you can do it like anytime, but I'm really looking forward to it, and I'll see how it makes me feel. So if you guys want me to also do like a little review on it or something like that in my next video, let me know in the comments down below so I can talk about it, because it's my first time. So I'll see you guys there. Like someone's massaging your body. So relaxing. I should do the other one. Hey guys, so I wanted to update you real quick. So I vlogged when I went to Vegas, and then when I came back from Vegas, I was so like, you know, just tired because I was moving houses before Vegas, and then I already had the tickets to go. So that long weekend was just exhausting. Here, let me set this up over here. Okay, that's better so I don't have to hold it. But anyways, I got sick and I had a cold, sinus infection, all that, because I was just like, you know, it was just too stressful of a month. Like a lot was going on and I didn't expect to be moving so last minute. And then with Vegas and traveling and all of that, and then unpacking and still catching up with work and everything like that, it was a lot. But I gave up alcohol for a month, which maybe it'll be longer. Last year I did it for a month and I felt so much better. So I'm gonna do that again. I already started, it's been like, I started on a Sunday, today is a Wednesday, so it's been a week and a half. I feel like this light is like not bright enough, I don't know why. But anyways, so I gave up drinking and I am still doing like my vegetarian, gluten-free, you know, lifestyle. It's not a diet because I'm trying to do it forever, but I've been thinking also to do a keto, not a keto diet, because That's very hard to do when you don't eat meat, but I'm thinking to just kind of like just cut out carbs and sugar as much as I can, so that way my body does start doing the ketosis. So we'll see about that. So I will update you guys. I want to do like a before and after for the entire month of everything that I do, but I do feel better as far as like being sick, like my health and stuff, and part of it is because of the probiotics. I opened up these and showed you guys that they came in like a package that has the like co-pack, so that way it doesn't get bad. But this stuff is so good, and it's especially formulated for women, and you take just one a day. So you have 30 in here. That's enough for an entire month. And this literally has been helping me a lot because I already have a lot of digestion issues. That's why I went gluten-free, meat-free, you know, years ago, because it's just, you know, it's just, that's how my body is. So now I'm trying to cut off carbs and see what that does also. But your stomach health is so important. Like literally what you put into your body is who you are. Like I didn't realize this. I wish I knew this back in like college when I ate McDonald's and drive-thru and Taco Bell and just like all this like shitty food, you know what I mean? So I wish I knew then what I know now, but it's never too late to start. So I started my vegetarian, you know, lifestyle slowly, like 2014. Then I went completely vegetarian 2017, and then I did gluten-free last year, 2018. So now this year I'm trying to like get even healthier. It's like once you give up alcohol for a month, you're like thinking like, what else can I do? What else is there that I could do? You know what I mean? And it's just like, it gets you in a health kick. I don't know. So I would advise for you guys to try it out if you want. Even if like you might cheat here and there or whatever, like I'm not gonna cheat because I feel like for me it's like no point. If I cheat, I'm just gonna like go all in and drink. So I'm just like, it's no point. I'm just gonna set myself back. So I'm not even gonna have one drink for an entire month, and then at the end of the month I'll see how I feel, and maybe I'll just continue that. So we'll see. But I would definitely recommend doing probiotics. Even if you're not having digestive issues or you're not on a diet, you know, it just helps a lot. Like everything you put into your stomach, everything that goes through your stomach is going to come out, you know, whether it's your skin or energy levels, you know what I mean? You might have fatigue, like anything, you know what I mean? Skin allergies, like I've had it all. So I'm just saying, like definitely recommend this. But besides that, I'm almost like not sick. I'm almost done with my medication. They had to put me on antibiotics and all of that for my sinus infection, my cold. So, which the probiotics help with that because antibiotics destroy your stomach basically. So those help a lot. So I will link those for you guys in the info box down below. And also let me know in the comments if you guys have tried the keto diet before, how it works out for you, or if you're vegetarian, if you tried it, because I know that's hard. So let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, I'm about to go out. I've got my outfit on. I think I'm about to film a little giveaway video, and then I'm gonna go. So I'll see you guys. So I just got my lashes done on the top. This is mascara on the bottom, but Char is amazing. She's so good. I have my Invisalign in, so I have a bit of a list, but I just checked my P.O. box and I'm about to run to Browse real quick and get some meal preps going because I have like literally nothing at my house. Like I ran out of food, but I have been doing these like meal delivery service, you know, kits that, you know, there's so many of them out there. I've been trying them here and there. They just deliver you the ingredients, you make it, you meal prep it. You can, you know, if it's a couple, you can just make it like for that evening, but I just make all 3 of them at once and meal prep it. That way I'm like set, you know. So I wanted to show you guys what I got. I didn't get a lot of stuff. This is just like the basics for the week, you know, because I don't want to get too much and meal prep too much in case I do go out or just don't eat it all, whatever. So I first of all have to have my tacos. So I already have the tortillas. Those are corn, so they're not gluten. So I'm vegetarian, not vegan, vegetarian, and gluten-free. So I have the tortillas, and then I got the beans for that, tomatoes, and coleslaw, or like whatever you want to put on your tacos. Then the salsa, and you can also put this on avocado toast. That's really good together. For milk, I always hated like cow milk, regular milk, so I always drink almond milk. The only things that I do that are like from animals is like sour cream and cheese. I put those on my tacos too. I love those. So those are the only 2 things. I really don't eat animal products like that. Then I got my Nutella, of course, and I'm gonna put this on my gluten-free bread. And then also for the tacos, I put these beefless tips on there. These are the 2 brands I always get. They're like the meat substitutes, the Gardein and Morning Star. They always have options for you. They have meatless meatballs, they have beefless tips, the fake buffalo chicken wings. They have a lot of options. And then this is the best like veggie plant-based burger that I've ever tried. This is the Beyond Burger. Everyone knows about it, but I have people that eat meat say different things. They either say that this is amazing or they say that it sucks. So I don't know. For me, it's amazing, whatever they put in it. And literally these were the 2 last ones. I had to like dig in the back of the fridge and like find it because they had like Beyond Meat sausages, but these are always sold out. Like every time I come there, you have to come there literally the day they stock it. So yeah, so anyways, I'm about to make one of those, like one of those boxes, and eat it, and the rest I'll probably meal prep. So the tacos I just make on the spot take like 5 minutes, but for meal preps you can just bake these on a skillet. These are potatoes brine, so good. They're already like seasoned and everything. You just put them on a skillet real quick and just meal prep with some of the fake meat or whatever veggies you want to put. So I just did that, and these are just like pop it in the microwave really fast. So literally everything here just takes like 5 minutes besides this and this. And then I got my kombucha because, you know, I'm trying to restore the probiotics. I mean, I love how it tastes, first of all, but I'm trying to restore the probiotics in my stomach. And since I'm not drinking for a month, I also just did this. I just drank a whole cup of this. This is from Heart Body Supplements. I actually did a whole video on these, so if you haven't seen that, I will link it below. But yeah, I'm trying to really like get my stomach, you know, better, because, you know, I'm already not drinking, because drinking, gluten, all of that does mess up your stomach. So, and but not just the liver, but like the stomach too. So I'm trying to like get everything better, and actually I'm enjoying vlogging. So I usually do a lot of sit down videos, but to be honest, like I love just vlogging and editing vlogs. So if you guys want to see more of these, let me know. I definitely will take you around with me. I just don't bring my camera everywhere because I don't want it to break, or if like people don't want me to film, you know, I have to like use my phone or something. But I definitely would want to do more vlogs if you guys want to see them. So let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, I'm about to go edit and maybe go to a hookah lounge later. So I'll see you guys soon. Hey guys, so I completely forgot to do an outro. We went out that night. It was fun. We did some hookah, but I didn't drink. We had tea, so that was awesome. So now I'm just kind of filming some try on haul videos, and then I'm just gonna stay in and edit the rest of the night. But I wanted to say bye because I realized I was just editing the vlog and I was like, wait a minute, I didn't say bye. So I wanted to come on here and say bye. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what other videos you want to see from me. If you want to see more vlogs or health videos, I can definitely do that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the little notification bell down there, and definitely add me on Instagram. I do a lot of polls and like Q&As on there, on my stories, and take you guys around with me. So add me on there. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, it's all at K3 Chocolate. My Twitch is K3 Dance. I will link everything below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.